everyone. In this procedure, we are going to talk about some do's and don'ts after a LASIK or a smile procedure. So essentially, what we can expect on day one after either a femto LASIK or a smile procedure is a happy face. That is, the irritation and pain which was there immediately after the procedure is completely gone, and the patient has a very comfortable eye without any irritation or pain and will be able to do all their daily activities from day one itself. The vision will be enough for us to carry out all our normal activities, including driving, all our work, using computers, cell phones, laptops. All of this will be possible from day one itself. Will you have perfect sharpness on day one? Maybe not. It'll take 2 or 3 days for a little bit of glare and little bit of contrast to improve. And that will improve as you instill drops in your eyes. But that will not prevent you from doing any of your day-to-day activities, and you will be able to get back to work immediately. So do you require any leave from work or office? Not at all. For these procedures, it's a daycare procedure. You come, you get the procedure, you leave the next day, and you will be able to get back to all your regular activities from the very next day. The only restriction perhaps is not putting water directly into your eye, that is tap water directly into your eye for about 2 to 3 days. So we generally say to avoid a hair wash or directly splashing water into your eye during a face wash for the first 2 to 3 days. While there are no restrictions to any activity even immediately after LASIK, quite a few patients ask when they can resume water sports, swimming, and going to the beach and all other activities. It would be possibly a good idea to wait a week or so after your LASIK procedure to allow complete healing before you can resume swimming and any other water sport activities. This is essentially to avoid excess germs going into your eye in the immediate aftermath of any laser procedure. But then again, it's just a week's time and you'll be able to get back to all fun activities which you were not able to do so with glasses or contact lenses before, immediately after your LASIK procedure. It would be good to use wet wipes to clean your eyes and to instill the drops regularly. Now, the drops that we give usually contains an antibiotic drop, a steroid drop to reduce any inflammation in the eye, and then a lubricant drop to keep your eye comfortable. All these drops can be instilled with a gap of about 2 to 3 minutes from each other, and they are usually advised about 4 to 5 times a day. These are then the important drops, that is the steroid and antibiotic, are just for the first couple of weeks and then they are stopped, and then the patient only uses lubricating eye drops. These lubricating eye drops are purely for comfort and can be used variably so. They have absolutely no side effect, and if on a particular day, if we are having a little bit more irritation, we can use it more often. But if we are comfortable, even if we reduce and stop it, there is absolutely no harm. We also advise to wear sunglasses for the first couple of days to reduce glare, but that is essentially for the comfort of the patient and it does not affect healing in any way. So just in case you are very comfortable on day one after a LASIK procedure and don't feel like wearing any glasses at all, feel free to do so, because the sunglasses are just a measure to keep you comfortable and do not affect the recovery or the vision in any way. A lot of people ask, will I require glasses for seeing a computer after my LASIK surgery? This is not usually the case. While these blue filter glasses may be of some benefit in reducing the strain in the eye while they are using screen time for a long duration in a day, but it is not a mandatory requirement. And there is very limited scientific evidence to say that these blue filter glasses are going to greatly help our eyesight in any way or improve our eye health in any particular way. While there is no side effect to wearing these blue filter glasses, it's not a mandatory requirement. And if you've just undergone a LASIK procedure to get rid of your glasses, you may not be too inclined to wear another set of glasses. So if you don't feel like it, there is absolutely no compulsion to do so.